Hello there, we're going to just have a quick look at talking about box and whisker plots here. A really easy idea, but maybe one that you haven't actually come across in the past. Basically, a box and whisker plot is a way of summarizing the key information, and particularly the quartiles present in a set of data. So what we find is that we have a first solid line when we have the lowest value. So normally you'd have a scale going across on the x-axis here. So the lowest value would be down here, and then you have a line that then would take you to the lower quartile. So basically this area here represents the first 25% of the data, and this is called the whisker. And then we get to the box part, so the next 25% of the data between the lower quartile and the median is here, and then the next 25% between the median and the upper quartile is there, and as a result the box here, the box section, is the middle 50% of the data, and so the width of that represents the interquartile range. So the wider it is, the more spread out the data is going to be, and the final whisker is the last 25% of the data. If we have a data point that we've identified as being an outlier, and I'll talk in a second about how you identify an outlier, then you do it as a cross on the outside. So that's basically a box and whisker plot. Really useful summary of the key information. Obviously lots of information is lost, but for making quick comparisons it's really useful.